and learn with Jolene.
All I want for Christmas is you. Dashing through the snow in one more shopping plan.
Hello guys! Christmas is almost here! It is one of my favorite times of the year. Have you put up your Christmas tree and your Christmas decorations? I have, and in the world you can see so many Christmas decorations. They are so beautiful, right? And also, I have one of my Christmas decorations, one of my favorite ones. So let me bring it with you. Ta-da! Look, this is my favorite Christmas decoration. Whoa, look at it. This is the Santa Mickey light-up tree figurine.
Yay!
What are we waiting for? Now, let's just get this open. Come on, let's open this part. Inside of this is the best part. Whoa, this is the best part here. I'm so excited. I've been waiting this for a long time. I wanted to have Mickey Mouse and Minnie Mouse and their friends from Disney. Whoa, look at it. They're all wearing these Santa hats. See? It must be very snowy and cold out there. And look at Minnie Mouse. She's got this awesome dress and some high heels. Cool. And look at Mickey Mouse. He's got the hat. Ooh, he's wearing Santa Claus outfit. Cool. And he's got the boots also. Awesome. And look at Donald Duck. Oh, he has his bow on. I didn't even notice that. And look, there's some presents down here. He's standing on one. And look on the back. Here's the Christmas tree. And over here, we have got Goofy. Whoa. And look, he's got this cute belt, which is the green one. Cool. He's got the Santa hat. And down here, which is the cute little tiny Pluto. He's dressed up as a reindeer. Cool. And he's got the antlers. Ooh, he still has his bone though. And he's got some bells here. Cool. Look at the Christmas tree. Whoa. It's awesome. It has this snow on it. Got some icicles. And this Christmas tree can light up. Okay, see on the bottom, there's this black switch, so you switch it, and the light will be turning on soon. See on the back, it's kind of starting. Whoa, awesome. Look, the light glows better in the dark. Whoa, looks so pretty and colorful. Guys, do you have a favorite Christmas decoration? If you do, comment it down below so I can see also. So, bye! Don't forget to subscribe down below and like down below. And also don't forget to press the notification button, which is a tiny bell. Bye! Thank you for watching!
All I want for Christmas is you.